Vriddhi 3C is a cutting-edge social learning platform leveraging AI, ML, and internet technologies to make education inclusive, affordable, and accessible, especially for 256 million T3 T4 learners and mentors. Our mission is to bridge the educational gap by providing adaptive, peer, social, and activity based learning with a multilingual curriculum. Unlike many education technology products focused on T1 and T2 cities, Vriddhi 3C targets the 68.7% of students from T3 T4 cities, often from government schools, who need quality mentors and affordable, outcome focused content. Solution and features by Vriddhi. What solution we are providing? Community, mentors, access to global learner pool. Advancing in contributor ranking by knowledge sharing. Self growth through networking. Private communities to stay connected with current and past students. Self growth. Learners. Community driven learning through discussions with peers and experts. Doubt clearance. Knowledge sharing and earn badges. Curriculum. Easy to build curriculum with AI recommendation. Create a unique Q bank and earn contribution points. Create mock tests on the go from available Q bank. Use multilingual web-sourced content in the curriculum. AI-based curated curriculum in preferred language. Recommendation engine for adaptive learning. Evaluate understanding with mock tests. Self-library for contents of interest. Take notes while studying for future reference. Campus. Minimize admin work through automation. Digital classroom to break the barrier of localized teaching. AI-enabled adaptive teaching for the unique needs of an individual learner. Access to mentorship from vetted teachers. Specialized on-demand mentorship from the best teachers. Bootcamp courses to enhance in-demand skills. Activity-based ranking to stay focused. Vriddhi provides an integrated campus, curriculum, and community for learners and mentors, fostering an inclusive and collaborative educational environment. Our platform offers adaptive, activity-based learning and a multilingual curriculum to ensure access to quality resources and mentorship. Our features: curriculum, real-time doubt solving, psychometrics evaluation of stress and time management, revision chatbot, discussion, Vriddhi feed, Twitter, Reddit, certificates after successful completion of curriculum, collaboration, explain question, create content and earn rewards with every 10 likes, earn rank by joining quarterly Olympiad, analytics, rank based on performance, progress, engagement, reward, certificate, Olympiad. Community. Join, create social and family-based activities. Earn rewards for every post with min 100 likes. Campus. Join mentor training activities. Support and hardware for campus setup, IFP, CAM etc. Future plan. EduShop. Programmatic and in-app advertisement. Admission, interns, jobs. Important features. Learners. Text-to-speech. Real-life examples. Prediction of important points. Real-time doubt clearing, text plus image. Ask and provide help to friends. Have group studies. Participate in competition and challenges, ask mentor support. Reward and certificate. Participate in social, family bonding, climate change activities. Mentors. Generating opportunities for mentors to build their own campus with content, LMS, ERP and app. Get recognition globally and access to more learners. Additional earning by various activities. Socialize yourself with guided network of other mentor and learners. Get guided support to upgrade yourself in technology and knowledge. Where is our focus? Our focus is on empowering both mentors and learners with a result oriented approach. Providing quality education and mentorship to learners from T3 and T4 cities. By leveraging advanced technologies and offering a multilingual academic and non academic curriculum, Vriddhi is committed to making education accessible to every child, ensuring that financial constraints do not determine the quality of education one receives. Our goal is to provide free, high quality education for all, fostering equality and opportunity. Education is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Madonna Sikon.